CNC milling, a cornerstone of modern manufacturing, offers unmatched precision and versatility.
Welcome to another video with us here at Design to Product Limited. Today, we explore the top 5 benefits that make CNC milling a preferred choice for manufacturers around the world.
First up, precision. CNC milling machines deliver exact cuts that manual processes can't match.
Second, flexibility. With the right software, CNC mills can produce any shape, from simple flat surfaces to complex 3D structures.
Number 3 is repeatability. Once a design is programmed, CNC mills can repeat the same process with minimal deviation, ensuring consistent quality.
The fourth benefit is automation. These machines can run 24/7 with little supervision, dramatically increasing productivity.
Lastly, it's versatility. CNC milling machines can work with a diverse range of materials, from metals to plastics, opening up vast possibilities.
With these 5 powerful benefits, it's clear why CNC milling is a pivotal part of today's manufacturing landscape. For a comprehensive guide on CNC milling, you can book a meeting with us through the Calendly link listed on this video.
And for more detailed assistance on CNC manufacturing, or to get a fast quote, including delivery to your non-sanctioned country, you can send your STP, PDF files, and quantities to team@d2pcnc.com.
Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.